And this one is a pawpaw. So this is a Native American fruit.
Okay.
One of the few that survives. It's
Yeah.
taste it and see what does it remind you of.
That's so good.
What'd you call it?
Pawpaw.
Popo.
Yep. So this is a fruit.
Wow.
This is a fruit that like almost got extinct with Native Americans. Was grown everywhere, and now people are trying to recreate it or bring it back.
It's like custard kind of.
Yep.
Really good.
People compare it to mango and bananas.
Yeah.
So
I thought it tasted tropical, and I'm like, how can that taste tropical if it's native?
Yeah, right?
but it
does
grows.
taste
It actually
so good.
grows in this cold climate, like Northern California, really well. So we also
That's
planted the
amazing.
seeds.
You can eat this skin?
You can. Don't eat the seeds. They're very toxic.
Okay.
Toxic.
Neurotoxic. So this is one of the things about ananas and relatives that they're not, they have some neurotoxicity, both fruit and seeds. Seeds are the worst. You don't ever want to put in a blender, for example. Like make a
right.
shake with seeds.
Right.
Never.
It'd be super bitter too. If I
You're talking about seeds. You're not talking about seeds in general.
No, just those seeds.
Seeds, yeah.
Yeah, ananas seeds and pawpaw seeds. So which of those fruits that you tried? Ice cream bean, abu, white sapote, and
Sapote.
ice cream bean. Which one do you like
Sapote.
best?
Sapote.
Did you try abu yet?
The what?
Abu?
You didn't try that one.
This one is abu.
Try that one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Abute?
Yeah.
What's this one
That's
called
good
again?
too.
Which one? This one's pawpaw.
Popo.
Yep.
I like
think
the
that one's
sapote.
my favorite.
I like
Yeah.
the sapote.
White sapote?
Let me taste a little bit more of this. I'm not sure that I got enough of this to really taste it.
But the texture of this one is so fun.
Which one do you?
The ice cream bean.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's almost like an alien fruit with strange seeds that fall apart and
Yeah, yeah.
Very interesting texture.
Wow. What a treat.
That's a
The only
pawpaw.
one I've ever heard of these before was a sapote. The other ones are like, huh?
And we grow all of them
Wow.
in a jungle. Yep. So what do you think of pawpaw?
This is really good.
So good.
This is behind sapote, but this is really good too.